So the joke, ladies and gentlemen, is on us. Clearly it's on us. So the next time when you decide to go and vote, always remember that something like this happened. You've seen lives getting lost in the national capital. You will see a lot of political bickering. You will see protest. You will see dharna. All of that you will say here in the national capital. But no answers. The nation is outraged over the tragic deaths of Tanya, Naveen and Shreya in a flooded basement. Apathy killed them, also drowned their hopes and dreams. Zero accountability and only blame game that you have seen over the entire incident for the last 3 days. But after the Aam Aadmi Party leaders indulged in endless passing of the buck, they've put their focus back now at Arvind Kejriwal's health. They're really concerned about him. They clearly also tell you that that is their priority. So what if there are parents waiting, students waiting to find answers, whether there is going to be a redux of the entire episode? And has the government done enough to ensure that we do not lose young lives like this? So all this is happening. The Aam Aadmi Party leaders earlier gathered at the Delhi's Jantar Mantar. They were joined by a string of top India bloc leaders, all of them that you see on your screens. This is a huge show of solidarity towards Arvind Kejriwal. He's in jail in the Liquorgate case. Many of these India bloc leaders have also chosen to remain completely mum on the Delhi tragedy. Instead, what they say is that they blame the centre. Centre se pooche. What about the centre's accountability is what most of them will say. They've also shied away from calling out the Aam Aadmi Party government, at least naming Arvind Kejriwal. They are so scared. They can't even name Arvind Kejriwal. Forget about the fact that they will ask for any accountability. And the Aam Aadmi Party government, so far, remember, has been just pinning the blame on others despite being in power in Delhi for a long time now. There was also a moment when the Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Singh Mann breaks down. He breaks down while he was speaking at the rally. If you see very closely in this entire sequence that's on your screens, his eyes become moist. He's also speaking about कि अरविंद केजरीवाल ने क्या गुनाह किया है, क्या गलती है अरविंद केजरीवाल की, यही कि वो फ्री इलेक्ट्रिसिटी देते हैं, वो फ्री पानी देते हैं, अच्छी शिक्षा देते हैं, क्या यही कसूर है, इसीलिए उनको बेल नहीं मिल रही है. And I for a moment thought that the next line perhaps is also going to be about what's happened in Delhi. But no, that did not happen. He's completely mum on everything like that because clearly these are questions of accountability. Before we move ahead and we ask a panel of guests who will join us to represent all stakeholders here on the show, I want you to take a moment to listen into this entire sequence of Bhagwant Singh Mann, the Punjab Chief Minister, at this rally, at the protest, about what his priority number one right now is.
कहां जाएं फिर हम? सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाएं, कहां जाएं? बता तो दो कौन सी कोर्ट है, कहां जाएं, कौन सा वकील करें, बता तो दो. कसूर क्या हो गया बता तो दो. क्या कसूर हो गया? स्कूल ही बना दिए यार. क्या कसूर हो गया यार? अस्पताल बना दिए यार. क्या कसूर हो गया यार? बिजली फ्री कर दी यार. क्या कसूर क्या हो गया यार?
So Bhagwant Singh Mann is asking कसूर क्या हो गया? I'm not sure if he's even aware of what's happened in Delhi. And I was just scrolling through the timeline of Arvind Kejriwal, the Delhi Chief Minister. Zero word on what's happened in Delhi. It's hard to believe. We'll say good evening to Guru Prakash, the national spokesperson of the BJP on the show. Kailash Adhikari is MD of Governance Now. Huda Zariwala is a political analyst. She does lean towards the Aam Aadmi Party. Vivek Bansalji is senior leader of the Congress on the show. Salem Dharnidharan is spokesperson for the DMK. Also, IP Singh Saab, the national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, is completing a panel. Huda, does Bhagwant Singh Mann know कि उनसे क्या कसूर हो गया है? क्या आप ये बता सकती है कि श्रेया, तान्या और नवीन से क्या कसूर हुआ है?
ये जिस जंतर मंतर की प्रोटेस्ट थी आप जिक्र कर रही हैं, आज मैं भी वहीं पे मौजूद थी. इनका ये बयान, his speech was in reference to the wrongful detention of CM Arvind Kejriwal ji.
Yes,
entire India Gadbandhan, India.
I know that, and I'm not giving you a platform to push your cause here. I want to know बहुत
Right.
अच्छा हुआ हुडा that you had a protest for Arvind Kejriwal. You're very worried. You're within your right to do so. But what about the protest for the lives that we have lost of Shreya, of Tanya, of Naveen? Anything that you want to do for them?
Absolutely. That is a cause very close to my heart because I used to be an UPSC aspirant myself. I've studied for hours for mains in those libraries in the basement.
Huda, I hate to jump in here. This is not about you. It's not about me. I clearly want...
Yes.
No, I'm getting confused now, Huda. Are the priorities different of a Bhagwant Singh Mann of the India Alliance and also of you right now?
Absolutely.
Bhagwant Singh Mann breaks
Absolutely
down
not.
while he's talking of Arvind Kejriwal. He's asking कसूर क्या हो गया? तो I'm asking कि इन सब बच्चों का क्या कसूर है? What wrong did Naveen, Shreya and Tanya commit?
Irregular. Absolutely nothing. It is extremely unfortunate. It has to happen this way. But then it was going to, the irregularities were supposed to be on the forefront, one day or the other. These libraries have not been built in a year or two or even the past 10 years. They've been in existence. These coaching mafia, these people have been in existence for the past 20, 25 odd years. And also, when we check the permission for Rouse IAS, clearly that space was meant for
When did you
parking
check
and...
that? When did you check that, Huda? When did you check that?
I can absolutely forward you the notification that was also...
You tell our viewers. Viewers want to know when did the MCD wake up? When did the Aam Aadmi Party wake up?
The MCD was with the BJP for the past 15 years. We've had the MCD for not such a long time. Also,
Can you tell me for how long you were in the MCD?
We did an entire press conference in the month of February. The CS, the chief secretary, was summoned along with his
you,
They
Huda?
never came up for the meeting.
Huda, was the Aam Aadmi Party ruling the MCD when we lost these lives? Or was it the BJP?
During, obviously, the lives have been lost right now, but then the follow-up, the desilting process with the CS, the chief secretary, not attending the meeting and the LT being informed of him not being in the meeting and his staff and his team not being in the meeting time and again has been brought into notice. There's an entire press conference done on it just to prove that we tried
Press
whatever we
conference
could
kar
from
diya.
our side.
We've put pictures out on the social media. Job is done. Huda? Clearly, the Aam Aadmi Party does not know that this is not how governance should happen, at least in Delhi. Huda, now give me a moment. I also want to get in your friends, from the Samajwadi Party, from the Congress, from the DMK, before I get in Guru and Kailash also. But Huda, okay, officers are not listening to you, bureaucrats are not listening to you, no one is cooperating, the LGs after your life. We've heard all these excuses. Huda, give me a moment. What was stopping the entire India Alliance parties, your entire coalition that gathered together at the Jantar Mantar to speak for the lives lost? Why didn't that happen? Why did a Bhagwant Singh Mann break down when thinking about the lives that we have lost? Or is it not worth it? Huda?
Sorry, is the question...
Of course, that question is for you.
Sorry.
You are ruling Delhi.
Bhagwat Manji was obviously speaking in the context of Arvind Kejriwalji's arrest. The entire India Alliance was...
Is that more important right now? Huda, is that the most important issue right now to ensure Arvind Kejriwal comes out of jail?
The lives of these three students is extremely painful, extremely unfortunate, and it is not like action is not being taken. Our Mayor, Dr. Shelley Oberoi, ensured that if they were irregularities...
You remember now? See, when you're saying this, like they say कि सब कुछ याद आएगा, Huda? Shelley Oberoi, your mayor, has she been sacked? Have you asked for her resignation? She's the one who said कि दिल्ली वालों को इस बार अच्छा मानसून मिलेगा. You remember that?
उस हिसाब से तो LG को भी पता था. Is the LG sacked? The junior engineer...
कमाल है ना Huda? This is the problem. I asked you for the resignation of Shelley Oberoi and you directly point towards LG and then you say we don't play politics. The Aam Aadmi Party is different. Now give me a moment. Let me get in Vivek Bansal ji, Salem and also IP Singh साहब here. Vivek Bansal ji, आप ये सब सुन रहे हैं, आप सब देख रहे हैं. सर, आपकी क्या मजबूरी है? आप लोगों को नहीं लगता कि कोई श्रेया, तान्या और नवीन की जिंदगी के बारे में भी किसी को तो चिंता होनी चाहिए ना सर? क्या राहुल गांधी, प्रियंका गांधी इन तमाम इश्यूज पे नहीं बोल सकते?
Definitely. I would. We all our sympathies, and heart goes out for the untimely and unfortunate loss of these young boys and girls who could have done immense service in times to come when they would have been in their
Vivek ji, who's
prime
responsible
to
for
serve
their
the
death?
nation. Definitely, it's a cause of concern, and these are issues. Listen, let me just complete. And these are issues which should be depoliticized. And it's the unfortunate part that LG too should be taken responsibility needs to be apportioned between the LG, and at the same time AAP party also cannot be absolved from this. They have to be right under their nose. These sort of coaching classes are taking place, and I would like to mention that LG is also throwing a spanner in the wheels as far as work of the Delhi government is concerned, out of sheer political vindictiveness. These things need to be discouraged and
Vivek
dissuaded.
ji, sir, you are a very seasoned and a
LG should
senior
also
Congress neta.
introspect that
Can you tell why are you shying
they
away
should
from
also
naming
take the
Arvind
blame.
Kejriwal?
I would like to say Bhagwant Singh Mann definitely should have. Definitely. When he is talking of Mr. Kejriwal, and that's a very due cause of concern at the same time, if his health is deteriorating. Any worker of a political party whose leader is undergoing all these things is bound to. But at the same time, tears need to be shed for the, as I said earlier, for the youth who died very in an unfortunate manner.
Idealistically, you can expect, but Vivek ji, you know that did not happen. And you know, the idea is not to embarrass you, but I just want to play out that entire sequence.
What am
no,
I
Vivek ji, give me a moment. I also spotted a Pramod Tiwari, Gaurav Gogoi, both were there. Did they speak about what happened? Did they speak about the fact that Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party also must hold accountability? Why not, sir?
Definitely, I am saying apportion. It should be equally apportioned between the LG and the Aam Aadmi Party. It's not a question of just passing on the buck or passing on the ball in each other's court.
No, so how can they share the stage right now with people of the Aam Aadmi Party who are in the dock, sir? None of their leaders. Okay, Salim.
They should immediately.
I saw Atishi. I saw Saurabh Bharadwaj there. I also saw Sunita Kejriwal, who, you know, otherwise is very quick to say कि हमारे पति के साथ ऐसा हो रहा है. No offenses meant to anyone. You know, everyone's health is very, very vital. But at the same point, Salim, when you look at these young lives lost in the national capital, am I going to be told that, wait, you know, we will ensure that we keep rowing round in circles from the LG to the MCD to the Aam Aadmi Party. We'll keep going around till the time you stop asking us questions, Salim. You had a string of these netas. No one thought that we could speak about the incident and have some accountability from the Aam Aadmi Party?
See, firstly, let me speak as a common person, right? Not as a spokesperson, because I'm only 35. So a decade and a half back, even I was preparing for some competitive exams or the other. But having said this, so I could have also been these people. So that's why I sympathize with them a lot. But having said that, you know what? Having worked in corporate and also in NGO and public sector, what I think is you need to have one person on whom you can hold accountable. Right now, where does the buck stop? The buck doesn't stop. And which is why even the AAP government has been asking, give us the autonomy, right? Which is why DMK has been standing for federalism.
Are you standing for Arvind Kejriwal on the show today? Are you supporting him?
Exactly. No, wait. You're not letting me complete. That's what I'm saying. AAP has been saying, give us complete autonomy. Give them complete autonomy. No, when they go to the court and get autonomy, then the union government passes the Services Act.
Yes.
What does Mr. Amit Shah say in the parliament? He said the centre has the right to draft laws for all union territories, including Delhi. And then they form a committee in which the chief minister is included. Then other two are the union government appointees. And this committee can meet without the chief minister also and make bills. And then the LG can veto. The bills
so Salim, my only quick counter is Arvind Kejriwal, and because you are also aware, Arvind Kejriwal is also aware. If you're trying to tell me that he has zero powers, why does he want to be on the chief minister's chair? He should resign.
No, see, the whole point is, who is destroying democracy here? People are voting for a government. Let's leave AAP, leave anything, let it be any ABC. People are voting for a government in the state level. Why? Because they want them to legislate and
But
provide for
people,
services.
Saleem,
And
are
then why is
also
the union
voting so
government
that they can
interfering?
ask
Why is the
questions to the
government
netas. IP
Huh?
Singh Saab, who do we ask questions to in Delhi? Saleem, give me a moment. Let me also get in the SP quickly.
No, but it's an important point. You didn't let me complete. So 10
Okay,
seconds,
quickly.
See, I am saying when people are electing for a government, that Neta is held accountable. But when governor who's not elected by the people is interfering, who will be held accountable? Will the government be held accountable? No. The union government interfering. Is Delhi people vote for the union government? No.
So are you saying the chief minister can continue to be the chief minister, but don't ask him questions because he has zero powers?
The question is, then the union government should give complete autonomy to states. Then you can completely question them. All this problem is happening because of union government trying to interfere and taking away power. Then all this will happen. The blame game will start. For blame game to stop, as I said, even in corporate, any organization, there has been only one head. Even in Times now, you have only one boss, right? We have 4 bosses.
Saleem, no, please. I mean, at least on this particular issue, I thought we'll all speak as, as one. We'll not be speaking as A, B, C, because clearly think of these families today. IP Singh Saab, आप तो इतने बड़े नेता है सर समाजवादी पार्टी के। अखिलेश यादव इतना कुछ कहते हैं, इतना कुछ करना चाहते हैं, क्या अखिलेश यादव को इन फैमिलीज का दर्द नहीं नजर आता है? आपको लगता है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जिम्मेदार है सिंह साहब या नहीं है?
सबसे पहले उन बच्चों को श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करते हैं। ये बड़ी दुखद घटना है। मैं भी एक बेटे और बेटी का पिता हूं और उन परिवारों के प्रति भी संवेदना व्यक्त करता हूं जो उसमें से एक बेटी हमारे उत्तर प्रदेश और हमारे गृह जनपद आजमगढ़ से सटे हुए अम्बेडकर नगर की है निश्चित तौर से। लेकिन एक सवाल आपसे बनता है कि जब 34 बच्चे गुजरात के सूरत में कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट में साल भर पहले जलकर मारे गए, तब ये मीडिया ट्रायल कहां था? ये सवाल प्रधानमंत्री और गृह मंत्री और गुजरात के मुख्यमंत्री से
बड़े नेता हैं, इतने आप एक्सपीरियंस
आप मुझे
नहीं सिंह साहब सोचिएगा क्या ये राजनीति करने का समय है सर?
क्या आप 1 मिनट भी बोलने नहीं देंगी
सर? क्या ये राजनीति करने का समय है?
दिखाया तो क्या मैं 30 सेकंड के लिए बैठा हूं?
आप पूरी बात बोलिएगा सर, लेकिन मुझे ये बताइए क्या ये राजनीति करने का समय है?
और देश के सबसे कट्टर ईमानदार मुख्यमंत्री के खिलाफ साजिश है बीजेपी की। बीजेपी जब इलेक्टोरल स्टेज पर हार गई, चुनाव हार गई, 10 वर्षों से बीजेपी की सरकार केंद्र में है, वहीं एलजी उनका बैठा हुआ है, सारे पावर छीन लिया है। ईडी सीबीआई ने श्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को सलाखों के पीछे रखा है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट में पूरी तरह मैनेज है। जब वो जेल से बाहर आने वाले थे उन्हें फौरन सीबीआई ने इंट्रोगेट किया, अरेस्ट किया, जेल में अरेस्ट किया और फिर से जब बेल हुई उन्हें ईडी में तो सीबीआई ने उन्हें अंदर भेज दिया। आज उनकी तबीयत खराब है। समूचा इंडिया गठबंधन उनके साथ है और ये मोदी सरकार जो है बहुत लंबी इसकी उम्र नहीं है। ये अपने बोझ के तले ये दब जाएगी और सरकार गिरेगी। उस दिन सवाल आपसे भी होगा, कल क्या हुआ संसद के अंदर? पिंजरे में आप सबको कैद कर दिया गया। वही आपातकाल है जिस आपातकाल की बात इंडिया गठबंधन और हमारे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष माननीय अखिलेश यादव जी करते हैं, समाजवादी पार्टी करती है। समाजवादी पार्टी जाति, पंथ, मजहब और भाषा के आधार पर
देखिए आपने नहीं, अब आपने क्या किया? आपने इस पूरे प्लेटफॉर्म का सर इस्तेमाल कर दिया एक राजनीतिक बयान देने के। ठीक है, आप सब पॉलिटिशियंस हैं, आप राजनीतिक बयान दीजिए, लेकिन मुझे ये बताइए कि आपने तमाम जो बातें रखी है इस समय और जो हमारे तमाम दर्शक देख रहे हैं, पेरेंट्स देख रहे हैं नवीन, तान्या, श्रेया के, उनको इससे क्या मिला? वो किससे सवाल पूछे?
सवाल क्या ये कोचिंग ऐसे जो गलियों में कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट चले, क्या प्रधानमंत्री ने कल से 1 मिनट में अगर कोई हमारा खिलाड़ी जीतता है प्रधानमंत्री का ट्वीट आ जाता है, खून पर बात करने लगते हैं, क्या प्रधानमंत्री जी को इसकी जानकारी नहीं है?
ठीक है, आपने बढ़िया सवाल पूछा सिंह साहब, आपने बढ़िया सवाल पूछा। बिल्कुल ये गुरु जवाब देंगे इसका।
ईडी क्यों नहीं जाती?
सिंह साहब आपने बढ़िया सवाल पूछा है सर।
10 वर्षों तक
बिल्कुल आपने सिंह साहब रुकिए
बीजेपी का
राजनीति करने के लिए सर बहुत समय पड़ा है। आपने अच्छा सवाल पूछा। वही सवाल मैं आपसे अगर घुमा के पूछूं, गुरु उसका जवाब देंगे कि प्रधानमंत्री को इस बारे में पता या नहीं पता? क्या अरविंद केजरीवाल को सर इस बारे में पता है? क्या उन्हें सुनीता केजरीवाल या और किसी ने बताया है? क्योंकि अगर आप उनका भी एक ट्विटर टाइमलाइन चेक करें सर, कुछ नहीं लिखा गया है।
क्यों पेपर लीक हो रहे हैं? क्यों कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट चर्चा में है?
हाँ।
सेंटर चर्चा में है?
नहीं सिंह साहब, आप सब कुछ करिए, लेकिन अरविंद केजरीवाल का बचाव कैसे कर पाएंगे इस घटना को लेकर?
अरविंद केजरीवाल इनोसेंट है, उनकी सरकार इनोसेंट है। ये जो आपका गवर्नर बैठा, उसके कानून संशोधन करके सारे अधिकार गवर्नर को दे दिया प्रधानमंत्री और देश के गृह मंत्री ने। वो सरकार तो ठगी हुई सरकार है। उसके पास ना उसके पास पुलिस है, ना उसके पास कोई अधिकार है।
ठीक है, मैं
उसके
विवेक जी अभी माइक मत उतारिएगा सर, सवाल सबसे पूछे जाएंगे और आप थोड़ा सा समय रखेंगे। मुझे गुरु और कैलाश के पास भी जाना है। दे हैवंट स्पोकन विवेक जी, आई एम जस्ट कमिंग बैक टू यू। गुरु, is the Prime Minister aware of this tragedy or not is what the opposition is asking. If he is aware, what is the BJP doing? Can you tell me that the LG today has zero accountability? The MCD top brass that is appointed by the MHA Ashwini Kumar has zero accountability, Guru?
Deepti, in your initial set of observations, you made a very important point. And I think that's the crux of this point, that how do you fix the accountability? Where does the buck stops? That's the whole matter. And I'm not going to indulge in any sort of whataboutery. It is a matter of crisis. It is a matter which concerns all of us regardless of our political class. But the fact of the matter is, the point is that what we saw today at Jantar Mantar, आज जो जंतर मंतर पे हमने देखा वो दोहरे मापदंडों की पराकाष्ठा है. That is the example of double standards and hypocrisy. The same Congress party that will oppose Arvind Kejriwal, the same Congress party which will give evidence against Arvind Kejriwal for corruption, he will stand with against the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal. This is just beyond my comprehension. We need to have faith in our institutions. वो संविधान उठाते हैं, लेकिन संविधान के संस्थानों में उनकी आस्था नहीं है. कोर्ट कोई बीजेपी कांग्रेस का है क्या? सर्वोच्च न्यायालय बीजेपी कांग्रेस का है क्या? कोर्ट का ऑब्जर्वेशन है कि व्हाट्सएप चैट्स हैं, के कविता का बयान है कि 100 करोड़ से अधिक का मनी ट्रेल स्थापित हो गया है. उसके बावजूद
this is not a debate on Arvind Kejriwal whether he is innocent or guilty. I am focusing only on what's happened in Delhi. IP Singh साहब प्लीज, आप गुरु को बोलने दीजिए सर
और
प्लीज।
उसके लिए नीतीश कुमार और
अरे रुकिए ना सर, टॉपिक आप देखिए, दोनों टॉपिक से भटक रहे हैं सर, इसलिए तो इस मुद्दे पे कभी न्याय नहीं मिलेगा, क्योंकि आप सब लोग मिल जाते हैं, आप बातों को डाइवर्ट कर देते हैं. बट गुरु, व्हाट अबाउट द LG? यू ऑल्सो नो दैट the bureaucracy in Delhi is reporting to the LG. Will he have zero accountability? What of the MCD top brass that is appointed by the MHA Ashwini Kumar?
No, good. I'm happy. I'm happy, Deepti, that you raised the point on MCD. Deepti, you're a senior journalist. You would very well remember MCD Safai Karmachari protesting outside the residence of Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal only a couple of years ago. MCD के सफाई कर्मचारियों को वेतन नहीं देंगे. MCD में इनके मेयर हैं, MCD में इनके काउंसलर्स हैं, उनकी कोई जवाबदेही तय नहीं होगी. There would be zero accountability as far as the LG is concerned. As the matter came into news, the LG constituted a committee. LG is supervising it. The top leadership of the BJP, the top leadership of the MCD, the top leadership of the Lieutenant Government or the administration of Delhi is keenly and closely following it. I have only one request: stop politicizing the entire matter. आज जंतर मंतर पे जाकर के आंदोलन करके इस मुद्दे का राजनीतिकरण क्यों किया गया? अरविंद केजरीवाल जिनकी जो
भाजपा ने भी तो एक प्रोटेस्ट किया है ना, भाजपा ने भी प्रोटेस्ट किया. We'll try to bring up those images. देखिए विचित्र स्थिति हो रही है. कैलाश, I want to bring you here as a citizen today, a citizen whose voice is equally important. Look at the situation. You have the Aam Aadmi Party protesting against the Aam Aadmi Party, the Aam Aadmi Party protesting against the BJP, against the LG, against everyone but themselves. Then you also have the BJP protesting against the Aam Aadmi Party, but the BJP quiet on the MCD top brass on the LG. So who do we ask questions to, Kailash?
Firstly, looking at the Chief Minister of Punjab and the kind of statement that he made, I'm reminded of his prior profession. I mean, I'm moved by his histrionics and acting rather than his apathy towards the public, because there was no apathy shown towards the public. It was clearly for Arvind Kejriwal, and it is a shame that the Aam Aadmi Party, it called the first name of the party, the first the sentence, the party starts with the name Aam Aadmi, and there is no tears for the Aam Aadmi. I mean, for all the three children whom we have been talking about in this debate since the past 40 minutes. You know, the Aam Aadmi Party or the India Bloc have not just told, they are just trying to paint a picture on how the government is or what powers are given to LG. I mean, that is all kept aside. You know, has any leader of the political party of the India Bloc spoken about them? You know, has the Chief Minister or the better half of the Chief Minister of Delhi spoken about them? You know,
but
what
Kailash,
kind of,
how would you respond to what the opposition has said, that Arvind Kejriwal is the Chief Minister with zero powers? When it comes to powers, the centre has ensured that all powers go towards the LG. Saurabh Bharadwaj earlier has released a video where he claims that the officers are not listening to him.
No, if that is the case now, if Aam Aadmi Party believes that Delhi is a state where the Chief Minister has no powers, then why it is fighting for it? Then why it is claiming for it? They all know what kind of powers do the whichever government is in power in Delhi has.
Okay.
And what does the Chief Minister of Delhi mean? अगर इतना ही दिल्ली राज्य के चुनी हुई सरकार में या कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनली उनको मुख्यमंत्री के पद में अगर एक प्रकार का एक खालीपन लग रहा है, तो फिर छोड़ दीजिए ना सरकार.
ठीक है, यही सवाल बार बार आपसे पूछा जाता है. The AAP does not say anything. Guru, only 10 seconds. The AAP government has failed in Delhi. They have zero powers. Why don't you dismiss them? Why do you want the, Delhi की जनता to suffer? Dismiss कर दीजिए ना, Guru.
No, Deepti, we are not in the fashion or the activity of dismissing government. It was the Congress government that has dismissed more than 55 governments.
But they have failed, no, Guru.
You're asking me a question. The constitutional design of Delhi. No, the administrative design of Delhi, you are suggesting as if BJP designed it. बीजेपी ने तय किया था कि दिल्ली सरकार ऐसे रूल करेगी. बीजेपी ने तय किया था कि यूटी के इतने संविधान के सब्जेक्ट्स होंगे. बीजेपी ने तय किया था कि दिल्ली सरकार की ऑटोनॉमी इतनी होगी. Why are you blaming us for this?
But ordinance तो आप लाए है ना. Ordinance आप लाए है to ensure that all bureaucrats report to the LG.
No. Deepti, you are asking about the structure and the nature of governance of Delhi. ये एक ऑर्डिनेंस से नेचर और स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ गवर्नेंस नहीं चेंज हो जाता है. माई ओनली पॉइंट इज द कांग्रेस पार्टी, द एस्टैब्लिशमेंट डिजाइन दिल्ली लाइक दिस, बट फैक्ट ऑफ द मैटर रिमेन्स that even important subjects, important administrative matters like sanitation, MCD, that comes under the Aam Aadmi Party and they are not effectively delivering on it. MCD के सफाई कर्मचारी करते रहेंगे आंदोलन को वेतन नहीं मिलेगा.
It is a bizarre situation if you're living in Delhi. Only for what of time, IP Singh, Saab and Saleem, I'm not able to come back to you. But the promise is that we at times now, remember, will keep putting our focus on that story. We will continue to ask that who's responsible for the lives and the deaths of these young lives that we are losing. I thank all of you, Huda and old gentlemen, for joining us. We are heading into a quick break.